So now student, we have finished our lesson. So now let's deal with our grammar part. Page number 20, your first bit is state whether the following statement are true or false. So the first statement is the monkey bought juicy berries for everyone. Did the monkey bought the juicy berries? No, monkey brought juicy mangoes. So the first statement is false. Next one, the bear was pleased with Teja. Was the bear pleased with Teja? No. Bear was angry on Teja because Teja hit him with the stick. So next statement is also false. Next way, Teja was crying while the animals were partying. Yes, when all the animals were partying, what was Teja doing? He was crying because he lost his keys. So this is true. Next one, Teja invited all the animals to his house. What happened? At last, Teja invited all the animals to his house. So the last one is also true. Okay. Now see bit 2. Tick the correct answer. The animals had gathered to. Why did all the animals gathered in the house? They had and the forest. They gathered to party. So tick right at party. Next, the animals were celebrating what were the animals celebrating? They were celebrating World Animal Day. Okay, take right the Animal Day. Next, the boy had hit the bird with. Why did the boy hit the bird with? Bird को किससे मारे थे उन्होंने? Stones. He threw stones at it. So take right the stones. So these are your 2 bits. Next are your question and answers that will be given to you in your group. Okay. Next is, now look at the given picture and fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions given in the boxes as you describe the picture. So now in these boxes we are given the words. With that words we have to see the story and fill in the blanks. So let's start. Mother duck dash the ducklings are swimming in the pond. Mother duck and, you should write here, and A-N-D, and the ducklings were swimming in the pond. The elephant drinking some water from the pond dash it is thirsty. So the elephant is drinking some water from the pond because, you need to write here because he is thirsty. Next, the lion is sleeping dash the monkey is awake. Now the lion is sleeping, here need to come but the monkey is awake and is sitting under the tree. The giraffe is very tall dash it can eat leaves. The giraffe is very tall so it can eat leaves. The zebra will eat grass dash leaves of the bushes. So the zebra will eat grass or the leaves of the bushes. Okay. So this is your next bit which is done. Okay. Write it down in your semester book. Now next one is, now your next bit is complete the following words by filling the missing letters. Also learn the spelling of these words. You may use the clues given in the box. So see here all the missing letters are given. In these missing letters we have to choose the letter from the box and we need to write the correct spelling. So first one is E-L-B-T-E. So which letter has that alphabet? This letter, celebrate. So C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Now the next one is E-I-O-S. So which one have E-I-O-S? This one, delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. Now what is the third one? The third one is squirrel. Now the third one is N. So which word is starting by N? This one. In that way it is nearby. So you need to fill all the this is squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. The next one is similar, S-I-M-I-L-A-R, similar. The next one is effect, A-F-F-E-C-T, effect. Okay. Are you done with that? Now the next one is write the correct word from the box that mean the same as the group of words given below. Orphanage, anonymous, paper, indescribable. So a book, poem or story etc. written by a known author. So now see, a book, a poem or a story which an author write with his unknown name is known as anonymous. 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 What do you mean by anonymous? मतलब someone has wrote. We doesn't know the person who is. We just know the fake name of the person. So that is known as anonymous. Next is a place where orphans live. Where did the orphan lives? Orphan lives in an orphanage. Orphanage. Next one who has no money. Who has no money? So pauper. Pauper are the people who have no money. Okay. So pauper. Next is that which cannot be described. So when we can't describe anything, what it is said? Indescribable. Indescribable. Okay. Indescribable. Now next is your vocabulary. Now see your vocabulary. The boy's parents had died in an accident. 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 So here you should write accident. Okay. Next. Zebra bought a dash pizza for everyone. Zebra bought what pizza? Which pizza did zebra bought? So zebra bought cheese pizza. CHEESE. Cheese pizza for everyone. The squirrel had bought nuts that were. Now squirrel bought the nuts that were crunchy. 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 The cuckoo dashed the party. The cuckoo sing in the party. What did the cuckoo do? She sang in the party. She sang at the party. All the animals were celebrating the World's Animal Day. So now you need to fill up this. So first one was accident. This one is cheese. 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 The next one is crunchy. 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 This is the cuckoo sang at the party. SANG. Sang. And cheesy. Now DAY. Day. Okay. So I hope you all have done your vocabulary. Now the remaining things will be given at the time of in your groups. Okay. So we have completed our lesson. In next class I will explaining you the next lesson. Thank you.